Nice, ano?
Nice.
Oh, we can play I Spy.
Akala ko ice. Pass the ice.
Words, ano?
Pass the ice.
PG.
Dapat mo alam yun.
Hindi ko alam yun. Ano ba yun?
Ako rin.
Paano yun?
Pass the ice.
Oo nga.
Don't know that.
What is it?
Hindi ko nga alam. Hindi ko nga alam. Pass the ice niyan.
Here, pass the ice.
Sige. Pass the ice.
Dito? Diba? Tapos ganon.
Mouth now.
Iniisip mo.
Mouth. How are you gonna play it with that?
No.
Wala lang.
It's hurting your neck? Sit up straight. No, sit properly. Is that better? Is that better? Yeah? A bit? Is that better? Sure?
Kape ka kasi ng kape.
Dalawang beses lang
I mean, you could talk.
I said sugar water.
Hindi, pero ikaw.
Oh, sweet.
Okay ka lang po,
More comfortable for you.
Lola, okay ka lang?
Ano gusto mo? Wait, don't do that.
Huwag na ganyan. Sakit sa leeg mo yan.
No, I'm okay.
Hindi ka okay.
I'm okay.
Ano ako sa'yo?
Ano yan? Gago ka.
Hanapin ako ng word.
Ba't ka nanginginig? Ba't nanginginig yung...
Nakapikit talaga siya.
Nakabigit? Inaantok yan. Uy.
That feels good.
Carlo! Ano ba to?
Oo, diba?
Tutulog ka?
Hindi. Just thinking about how it would be without this.
Ewan ko sa'yo, pero...
Nakikiliti daw siya sa ano mo.
Hindi kasi husam yung mga naiisip ko eh.
Minsan eh, wish I... Ano
Oh? I asked if your neck was comfortable.
Kanta yan eh.
Okay ka?
Wish I...
Okay ako, hindi ka okay.
I'm okay.
Thinking of this position na medyo husam.
Wish
I'll let
I
you know
goes
when
by.
I need some more.
Okay.
Kanta yan. Nakalimutan ko yung tunog. I wish I could be the one. The one who could give me love. Nagkakita ako.
May kumanta sa'yo ng ganyan?
Wala. Lagi ko lang yung kinakanta sa video ko eh.
Mama,
You shouldn't do that. I got in trouble last time.
Ikaw?
4? Ano?
Writing.
Oh.
Yes, Tami.
Wala lang.
Kuya talaga. Alam niyo naman eh.
Diba? Valentine's 214. Am I real or February 14?
Am I...
At February 14 din.
Pwede. Pero am I real yung totoo, diba? Sinabi nila.
Am I real?
Ano yan?
Wala. Kakabaliw dito.
Ako din. I think I'm gonna cut this off soon.
Look into my eyes and you would know.
Kika.
The love I have for you Mama, move back.
Carla, what time did you start again?
50?
Okay. Walang nag-order pa.
Ilan kasi?
Anong oras na?
33.
19:30.
Oh, wow.
to. Bakit naman na Valentine's?
I'm plotting more people.
Bukas pa, Valentine's.
Ewan ko sa'yo.
Second version.
Tingin ko mas marami mamayang gabi o bukas umaga.
Ako din.
Most
Because
likely.
if people want it delivered on Valentine's Day.
Cause if you look into my
Pero
eyes and you
24
should
hours
know.
na later eh.
I think, yeah. Please order some flowers. We shall give
Yeah, I
you
love you.
shirts and personalized cards.
I'll give you a flying kiss.
Kasi wala na nga PBB sa labas. Tayo-tayo
Oo
na lang
nga.
dito naglalaro.
Hiwala.
Ewan ko sa'yo.
Joya, come on, I know you
You're
want
in
a
the
flower.
camera.
Hoy, Joya, hoy, Roy, bumili kayo.
Kuya Roy!
Okay.
Kuya Ulad!
Yung mga taga rito, Jericho,
Oh,
Rico!
bumili ka.
Baka sobrang mahal.
I think
Sakit na
500.
leeg mo.
Aba, mahal kaya ang bulaklak.
Ang sakit na leg mo. Nagiling ka na eh.
That's why. And especially because
trying to think of what my
here,
move would be next.
it's gonna be expensive.
No, pero, ano, comfortable ka?
Go.
Sugat.
I wish we had the same size clothes.
Kasi sa leeg, di ba? Bakit
Ayaw?
ganun ka?
Bakit?
So I could wear that jacket.
Oh,
No, it doesn't look good on me.
subukan mo, it's small.
No. All the things that I want to wear don't fit me. Because they're all for men. See? I look like a little boy without
You
titties.
look like Justin Bieber for a concert.
Oh my. Take it away. I should kill you now. Justin Bieber. Trying to look. Cute. Carlo, can you go? Oh.
You hot?
Hindi.
Yeah.
Okay, tingnan ko si Lola.
Saan siya?
Si Lola, tulog pa rin?
Mm-mm.
Tagal ah. Anong ulan?
Meron pa.
Tin, anong nangyari? You see, you're gonna stick a band-aid on that? Yeah. Yeah. Why not? Go for it.
Lahat na nga, nagawa natin. Tapos ito, mahihiya pa ako.
I don't want you to get hurt, darling. I can't help it, can I?
Consuelo.
Consuelo.
Tonight,
Ay, napanood mo na pala to.
all alone tonight.
Ano?
Fashion show, no? Nagsimula, nag-fashion show sila. Si Matt, si Consuelo, sino yun si Jenny?
Trabaho sa isang bangko.
Ah,